Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, is known as the red planet because of its reddish color, which comes from iron oxide or rust on its surface. It is about half the size of Earth, but has some of the most impressive features in our solar system. For example, Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano, is nearly 3 times higher than Mount Everest. Mars also has Valles Marineris, a canyon system that is over 4,000 kilometers long and much deeper than the Grand Canyon. Mars has 2 tiny moons named Phobos and Deimos. These moons are small and irregularly shaped, more like captured asteroids than the round moons we are familiar with. Scientists believe that Mars had water billions of years ago, which raises the exciting possibility that life might have existed there. Today, robots like the Curiosity rover are exploring Mars, sending back valuable information. In the future, humans might even travel to Mars and perhaps set up colonies. The red planet is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered.